Hello and welcome to Range Global. Happy New Year, and today's video is about this elegant, young, beautiful kid, mixed chocolate color, facing the challenge of winter. It's January, but usually it's used to be more coldness is here, but this year it's not that cold during the daytime, and murky sunshine. It's a bit hungry. Is after me. I think she is hungry. She lives independently most of the time, away from the mother and the rest of the family, wandering here and there. She's reached her mother in search of milk, but she doesn't allow. I'll help her later. That's it for the day on the video, and I'll come back later with some new stuff, new video. Till then, bye, see you. I think she's very hungry, and her mother is not allowing her to feed on, so I'll have to help her in this process. She's her mom. Plenty of milk, but she's hungry. The kid is hungry.